All right, check this out. Kubota 40. So you said everything works good, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Rubber tracks. And one track was replaced, right?
Yeah, that side they replaced.
This was replaced?
Yep. Both at the same time?
Yeah, that's all right. It's not all banged up, though.
No,
See,
no. I mean,
you know?
like the one hood hinge is broke. So when you open the hood up, you got to prop the thing up.
Yeah, that's all right. And that's the homemade thumb.
Yeah, yeah.
So this isn't plumbed for hydraulics?
No. I'd imagine you probably could do something because it's got the side swing.
Okay.
So you could probably do something if you weren't unhook the side swing, you could plumb it.
Right.
For a hydraulic thumb.
Okay.
I know from sitting around, some of the levers are starting to get sticky.
Yep. And this is all tight under here.
Yeah, there's the pins in the bucket, and then the boom's got some play in.
All right.
Yeah. It's a 30-some-year-old machine. You said that clears up. Yeah, once it gets warm, it goes up. I just grab something and prop it open.
Sorry, this is whole. Well, it looks good.
Yeah, when I got it, I serviced it.
Okay.
The only thing I didn't change, which I've got, is the hydraulic filter.
No leaks. I don't see any leaks. No leaks, huh?
Yeah, it oozes oil out of spots, but doesn't leave puddles or anything.
Yeah, I don't see anything. So, yeah, the filters look. Do you think it needs to be serviced now, or you think it's good?
I don't think there could be more than 100 hours on it, if that.
And you're firm at 8?
Yeah.
All right. I got 8 grand. I brought cash. Right. That filter one?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, cool. I got an extra filter. All right. So I get your money and now I'll just. Oh, hey, can you write me a bill sale dumpster, Dave?
Yeah.
You mind or?
Yeah, that's fine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8,000 for this excavator. All right, so there's a couple things this machine needs. So this is getting stuck right here. When you pull the lever this way to tip the bucket or to curl the bucket back in, this is getting stuck. So I have to pop this panel off and grease under there, all the solenoids and valves and everything that are under this cover. So I gotta do that. Also, I want to try to find where to switch the controls, because right now it's John Deere controls and I'm really not good with John Deere controls. I want it to have cat controls, so I'm either gonna have to switch hoses around or just find a switch, I guess. I don't know. This is a 1989 Kubota 40 KX151. KX151. So somebody said under the seat, somebody said under here. Not sure. Like I said, it's an older machine. It's even kind of hard to find some parts for this. I was looking for filters and stuff, and a couple is kind of getting scarce, I guess, on the older ones. But anyways. Look at that grease gun. Grease gun. What else is in there? Oh, look at that. Any little friends? What do you think? So this one's got to go there. Here. Let's make sure we get this one on. Done. Looks like a 3/4 plug. Who put this on there? It's a little more than hand tight. That oil. Double check to make sure this is right. Boy, I tell you that. Yeah, I guess that's it. And the filter looks so different. $37.51. And it's 9. $9/8/23. Alright, this is the fuel filter right here. Oh man. Let's see if I can get this one. Oh, I got it too. Oh, it's dirty. Really dirty. All right, well, one reason this thing smokes a little bit, that is off-road diesel. On-road diesel is clear, off-road is red. That's red. That filter's shot. All right. That sound. All right, so the fuel filter, even though there's an electric fuel pump right here on this machine, there's actually a little hole in the fuel is just coming out like crazy. So I don't even need to fill that filter with fuel. I'll just let it sit for 5 minutes. It will fill itself up. All right, next right up in here, this is the hydraulic filter up in here. And that one's pretty tight. Last changed in 2009. Yeah, 09, 2009. Wow, I thought this thing was serviced. Oh wow, that's a mess. Smash. Look at the storm rolling in right now. That's a bad one. Look at that. Man. Looks like a tornado. Oof. Oh. Look at that now. filter's almost brand new, but that's nasty. See if this is clean or not. It's right up. Look at that. That's nice and clean. Nothing in it. Put that right back in. Let's check the other side. Alright, that should take it off. Look at that, running right out. This one's a little dirtier, but Thoughts on the machine? The machine is a good size. It has pretty good power. The backhoe controls I'm not liking. I'm definitely going to have to get seat time in this machine to get good at that. It is what it is. It was $8,000 excavator, cheapest one that I've seen on there in over a year. As far as the thumb goes, a hydraulic thumb would be the way to go. I mean, this works, but it's kind of useless because when you're picking up like microwaves and toaster ovens or anything like that, you know, you really want a hydraulic thumb because this would go all the way down and you can curl into it. This is kind of like, if it's not big enough, it would, you know, it's good for picking up refrigerators and ovens. All right, I have a little handwork to do here and then I'm going to call it a day, but I appreciate you guys watching and there will be more on this. I'm going to try to do some drainage with it. I don't know how that's going to go. I better get some seat time in this because I'm just going to embarrass myself.